Okay, so my mom really likes to feed me food that I like. So like when she finds out that I like a food, she'll like buy a lot of it and then she'll totally ruin it. Like I really like Frosted Flakes at one point and she bought like huge bags of it. I don't even know how much it was, but I still have a bag sitting from like last year. And she'll be like, why don't you want to eat it? And then I know it kind of hurts her feelings, but I really just can't eat any more Frosted Flakes anymore.
I don't like how my parents sometimes don't respect my privacy, and I don't like how they don't respect my faith in that it's my choice and not theirs.
My mom likes to send cards, so for, you know, Christmas, birthdays, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Easter, everything, she would send a card. But they actually used to give me a lot of money. Like every card she'd always put money in there, and I think I always felt really guilty because I felt like, well, you know, I'm kind of old enough to earn money and you should kind of use the money for stuff that, you know, she and my dad could do together. So it was kind of annoying because I kept telling her, I'm old enough, you don't have to keep sending me money, you know, the card is nice and everything. So after a while she kind of stopped sending money.
Every time I see them, they ask me, so Michael, do you have a girlfriend yet? When are you going to get married and have kids?